Now we could pretend that this is our little refrigerator in Europe, that this is all we have, but it's our second refrigerator. Olives, peanut butter, polenta, little yogurts, the second mozzarella. Gotta have some salad, and there's eggs, and then lots of nuts. This is our nut drawer here. Okay. Got some oil too, and then this is embarrassing. Yeah, this is number 3. You'd think we were energy savers, right? But these two are some of the worst energy users. They were cool. Our designer told us to use them. More nuts. And this is where we keep lots of, well, that's bread and frozen strawberries. Plus, you gotta have your hard cider, right?